How to fix Life360 app not working. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Life360 application not working. If you are facing this issue, then there are several ways you can try to resolve it. First of all, you need to ensure that your device has stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or the cellular data. If your Wi-Fi is working fine, then close the app completely and then reopen it. Also check the App Store or the Play Store for any available updates for Life360 application. Open your Play Store of your device and in the search bar type Life360 and search for it. You will be presented with the search results. Here tap on this app icon and here under it, if you found update button at the right side, you need to tap on the update to start the update process. But if you find open button instead of update, then your application is already up to date. You can simply restart your mobile device and check if the issue still persists. If it is not solving your problem, then you can go and clear the cache of a device. For that, you need to open your device settings and under settings, you need to find application option. The exact steps may be different in other mobile devices. You need to find application section from the settings. Once you find it, tap on it to open it. Here you may need to tap on App Manager. Once you tap on it, now you will reach to the section. Here you will find various applications that has been installed on your device. From this list, find Life360 application. Once you find the application, tap on it to open it. And here you need to tap on internal storage. Under this internal storage, you will find clear cache option. Go ahead and tap on clear cache and your cache will be cleared. Now you can go and check if the app is working or not. If still it is not working, then you can go ahead and tap on this uninstall button from this page and uninstall this application. Confirm your installation by tapping on this OK button. And once the app is installed, now go to the App Store or the Play Store and tap on this install button. By doing so, you will be able to fix Life360 application not working issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.